Man, I like APS-C cameras. Canon has always been good for me. My major camera that I film all my videos is with the Canon M50 and the Canon SL3. But I want more. I want more. I want more megapixels. I want 4K uncropped. But what does Canon has to be the best of the best? I mean, right now, what could I get that's the best of the best? Let's see. Oh, wow. The EOS 90D. Wow. So I'm going to switch from the Canon SL3 to the Canon 90D. And I'm gonna give you a reason why as I do this unboxing and kind of give you my thoughts on why I'm going to switch to a better camera in my opinion. So I'm probably gonna sell off my Canon SL3 for a very good price to somebody. And I'm gonna give you further details as I do this video. So let's go to the unbox and let me show you this bundle pack that I got for the Canon 90D. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, this is Eric back with another video. So here it is. This is the bundle that I got all included when I bought the EOS 90D. I will leave the product links down in the description below. So one of the things that I want to do is just get the camera body because I have a lot of EF lenses and EFS lenses. So I do not need lenses. I have all the slew of lenses. So there's no need for a kit lens, no need for anything. Only thing I wanted was the camera body. But along with the camera body, you get a slew of stuff here and actually with the same price. So it was pretty interesting. And one of the things that I wanted to do here is I wanted to kind of upgrade it a little bit. As y'all guys know, I've been shooting with the EOS SL3. This been a primary camera on my YouTube channel. This has been my go-to camera. This has brought me fantastic footage here on this YouTube channel. All right, so look at the bundle here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. And I'm going to make a lot of videos, and most of my videos is going to be with the Canon 90D. Now, I am not a camera spec head, but I know that this got a 32 megapixel camera on the APS-C. I know it does a 4K uncrop. I get dual pixel autofocus at 4K. I also get all the bells and whistles here with this camera. God, look at that book. Woo-hoo. All right, so you get your charger here, which, hey, that's nice. That's a good look. I like that charger. All right. You get your Canon strap. Now, here's the thing. I like these Canon straps, man. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you. I roll with it. Look at that. Got the 90D on it. That's pretty dope. Now, the SL3 did not have SL3 on it, but this one has a 90D, so you can let everybody know that you're rocking with that 90D. There you go. Got the battery here. All right. And again, I got the body only, so that's all I needed was the body. Go ahead. Ooh, man. Let me go and take a look at this. Ooh, man, look at that. Ooh, that thing beautiful. Wow. Compared to my SL3, it is a huge difference here. This thing is big. I mean, it is premium bulky. That's what I'm talking about. Man, I don't want them little bitty cameras. I like the big bulky camera. So yes, oh man. I am really digging this. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. So I never had a 70D or nothing like that. So, you know, this here is new to me, especially in the crop sensor. So you got your card slot there. You got your battery compartment here. You got all your slew of compartments here. You got your mic. You have your headphone jack. You got your remote. Also, you do have your ports here for charging and HDMI. All right, so this is a good look here. I like this. Got your articulating screen. Right, nice and premium. Nice and premium. I like this. Oh yeah. So this one here gonna be nice for me, guys. I am definitely gonna like this. Yes, awesome. It comes with a flash. Okay, so that's pretty nice. All right, come with a flash. You know, I never do any type of photography. I only do video, but that's a good look if I want to do some nighttime photography, or if I ever need to use a flash. This is gonna be pretty dope. All right, so here we got a flash. All right, so we got a speed light. That is nice. All right, and boom, there it is. So hey, why not? It came with the bundle, which is nice. So hey, it is what it is. All right, so we do have some extra goodies here. Now, this came in with the bundle itself. It is a digital battery charger. So this is another charger. All right, and look like a car charger. All right, so if I'm out on the road or something, I can plug this up to the vehicle. Also, it plugs into the wall. So I got a choice. I can use this to plug up my battery in the vehicle. So this is a good look. And again, it came free with the bundle. Hey, why not? So we got that. Let's move this out the way. Well, I'm like a kid in the candy store right now. So also in the bundle, you get all of this stuff in the bundle, guys. This is seriously a great bundle here. Okay, so I get an extra battery. Okay, so it already comes with a battery, so I got an extra battery. Okay, what else it come with? A shutter release button here. So okay, it comes with a shutter release button here that I can use so I can control my camera. All right, so I got a card reader here. All right, there it is, USB. All right, so here we go. I thought it was gonna come with a little cheap memory card, but no, this comes with a really good memory card, 64GB memory card. All right, also comes with the bundle. Man, when you see all these bundles on Amazon, you always ask the question, you know, what is this for? Okay, so this will look like okay, so this goes at the bottom of the camera and this gives you a grip. All right, so this is a grip. All right, so that's a good look. That's nice, man. Nice little texture. Man, this is some premium stuff that you get. All right, boom. And we get a bag. Now this all comes with the bundle. This is nice. All right. So I get a nice premium camera bag with this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So here it is. You got a lot of compartments here that I can carry all my stuff in. So lenses, camera, SD cards, everything there comes with. Comes included in the package. So you get this too. And look, we're not done. We're not done. So I got flash, I got extra batteries, I have extra chargers, extra batteries, extra chargers, all kinds of stuff, right? And this thing comes with a, look like a monopod. You gotta be kidding me. Now, I love monopods. I have a monopod already. But having an extra monopod, and this is not cheap. All right, so this is a nice monopod. All right, so what happened is you put your camera here and you extend it out. All right, and if you want to get high shots, oh, this is nice. It's man, okay. I mean, it's not the best quality, but this would do the job. So okay, so it comes with a monopod included in the package. This is dope. And guess what? We are not done. Oh, wow. So we're not done here. So we got a tripod. All right, so in all of this bundle here, you get a tripod. Now, this is not the most premium tripod. All right, but if you never had a tripod and this is your first bundle and you want to go with the Canon EOS 90D, I would tell you, here it is. Get your tripod free with the bundle. All right, so this is some video footage of the Canon 90D, shooting this in 4K 30 frames per second. Now, I showed you guys all the accessories that I received with this camera, but I mounted it on the tripod, I turned it on, I put my Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter lens on it, I got it wide open, I put it on the picture profile, I connected my wireless mic to it, and here it is, right? I'm shooting this at 4K 30 frames per second. I did see the 24 frames per second, so I must have the update. I haven't done nothing else with the camera, and I want y'all guys to see this at 4K. It has no crop. Now, I do love APS-C cameras because I know how to deal with the crop factor. But since now this camera does not have a crop at 4K, I'm excited about it. But I will give you guys a lot of coverage with this camera, and you will see a lot of my videos shot in this camera. Again, I haven't done any modifications. I just put it on picture profile and I just shoot with the camera. Now, in the beginning of the video, I talked about the SL3. That has been one of my favorite cameras since I started shooting coming from smartphones to DSLRs. Well, I'm going to part ways with the Canon SL3, and one of you guys is going to get a good deal with the camera and the kit lens and all the accessories that I have with the Canon SL3. But overall, I want to give you guys a video sample of the 90D. I got the wireless mics already connected. It was very simple. I love Canon cameras because I already know the system already. I know how to navigate through the menus. This camera here, it's nice. It feels really good. It got a nice heft to it, especially coming from the SL3. As soon as I put the Canon my Sigma lens on here, it started focusing really fast. I like the dual pixel autofocus at 4K. So I'm excited for this camera, and I got a lot of footage coming about the Canon 90D. Wow, I'm excited. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Canon 90D in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Man, this thing got a 32 megapixel camera on it. That's what I'm talking about. This gonna be some nice footage that I'm gonna shoot with this camera. I'm excited about it. Woo! Yes, indeed. Let's go.